Welcome to Falkirk Home, a near 4,000 square foot 19th century home built by Gavin Fleming, a member of Sir John A. Macdonald's first Canadian Parliament. Located in the hamlet of Glen Morris, this stunning black granite home was constructed circa 1867. Situated on a hilltop overlooking Grand River Valley, sitting on nearly 1 acre of perennial gardens and century-old trees. Over the years, well-planned renovations and state-of-the-art modernization of its amenities have restored this historic home into the incomparable and truly unsurpassed landmark property it is today. This exceptional 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home is in wonderful condition, offering 10-foot ceilings, large principal rooms, heated slate flooring, large picture windows, and a towering stone wood-burning fireplace. It has many of the original finishes, including the main entrance doors, wide pine plank floors, as well as interior and exterior woodwork. Extensive upgrades to all mechanical systems, as well as the recent addition of a stunning gathering room and oversized double-car garage that keeps with the original architecture and stonework. Modern amenities are blended seamlessly into the original floor plan and add to the comfort and livability of the home. For the outdoor enthusiasts, just a stone throw away, canoe or kayak down the Grand River, or ride, walk, or jog the trails to Paris or Cambridge. Located in a quiet village setting and only a few minutes drive to Cambridge, Paris, Brantford, major highways, and all amenities. The opportunity to own a well-preserved piece of Canadian history is here for you. Contact us at Campbell & Company Real Estate.